Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we are eating Asian food made by me. 90% of everything was made by me.
Everything was made by you. Everything was made by First Ladies, and I'm gonna be the judge of it today. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna rate wife food. Okay? I'm gonna give you that. But don't forget, I forgot. It's in the description. We appreciate everybody that's ordering. Thank you for showing love. Just keep doing what you're doing. Yep. Remember, www.thegreedycouplepatties.com. If you want to go down there, just look in the description.
That's right.
Get it while it's hot, not while it's not. Okay.
So what I have is some fried rice, vegetable fried rice or vegetable fried rice, and I have broccoli, I have asparagus, I have corn, I have not corn. I have carrots, I have onions, not onions, broccoli, zucchini, and squash in this. I also made some fried chicken wings. They're not RFC, guys, but I made some fried chicken wings. Yeah. And then we have some spring rolls, some vegetable spring roll, and then I have a pork egg roll right here on my side.
Stay over there for your side, you know, and don't come up on my side, okay? People that say me cut off bacon more than pork. Alright.
You got your frustrations out?
Yes, because people say I can't make I want to eat pork.
That's what I'm saying?
Yeah, man. But I'm not gonna stop. Alright, family. So, and don't forget, part 3 of the story. I know y'all waiting, you know what I'm saying? Don't worry. It's coming today, alright? So now we're gonna eat. Watch, take a snapshot real quick. Take a screenshot of it. Just look at it. Amazing.
So we were busy because my daughter starts high school. We was running around doing that. I know. We was running around doing that, getting school supplies, volleyball, all kind of stuff. We were just running around.
So you put the sauce by your side, Mayu.
And then,
and then you have to dip a pork. Oh, I got sauce here, Tom.
That's what's over there. Because I'm not even dip the pork.
Oh, which I get from?
Chick-fil-A sauce?
Chick-fil-A, Mayu. Chick-fil-A, everything, Mayu. So what? I don't care what. Any video, I put any sauce I want. It's my food. We do what you want over here. But yeah.
That is good. I hope you guys had a great weekend.
We sure did. We missed y'all. No? We got to drop under the teaser to make you see what's coming down, you know? But we here. You know? This is a thing for it, right?
Yeah.
So
you start that again?
What? Let's get into it. Let's get into this, okay? Here we go. First, I'm gonna let you start it off right here. Open your mouth wide.
These spring rolls are really good.
Yeah, it is good. Here. Take a big, hold on, let it zoom. It's gonna zoom. Don't worry. Wait on. Why you rushing? It's gonna, there you go. Y'all don't wanna wait. There you go, here. I'll put it closer to y'all. Here you
They're saying we wait for 3 days.
Alright, good.
I know you guys are saying we haven't seen you guys in a few days. You got us messed up. Feed us.
We here. Give me some other, please. The Tabasco, please.
Tabasco?
See what's going down with this.
You got some sriracha. Sriracha, wacha.
Oh, the jacha. But yeah, that was good. Okay, it was really good too. So the rice and everything is on point. You know, I'm gonna give my honest review.
Write yourself in.
I can't get an honest review, you know. I'm gonna put myself in trouble.
The chicken is still nice and hot.
Spring roll.
A little bit of honey.
Family, you know I'm just kidding. I don't gotta give no review because you know First Lady food always been popping. You know that, right? You know I was kidding anyway. Cause I said, you know. Where's Richie? Come on now, cut it out, Richie.
That food looks scrumptious.
You know First Lady always cook good food. Yes, she does. Yeah.
See the steam? I don't know if you can see it, but it's good. I usually don't put so much vegetable in there on fried rice, but I thought it would come out really good, and it did. And you know, squash, it gets soggy very quick.
Very.
My shirt will drop off. So all I do is just saute it separately though.
I want to give a shout out to Miss Sharon Johnson, granddaughter. Happy belated birthday. I can't say your name right. I don't want to say it, so I'm not good at names. So, you know, shout out to you, and just know your grandparents love you, okay? I can't pronounce the name. I'm not good at names. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not even gonna try.
We don't want to butcher it.
I'm not gonna butcher your name, but it's a very sweet name. But I can't pronounce it. All right? So, we appreciate you, and we appreciate you, Sharon Johnson. You already know.
Big up yourself.
So big up yourself, and happy belated birthday to your granddaughter.
That's right.
Grandma loves you.
She know grandma loves her.
I'm bad at name for real now.
Yeah, man.
Can't say it, man.
Yeah, man. But I listen like me.
No, that. It get worse. I gotta get used to it now. Not talking on you.
Inside joke.
Enjoy your family. But yeah, this is real good. You should try it. It's very easy. No? For the licking room.
Zucchini.
Nice.
I didn't put a lot either.
Licking them nice, man, you. Family, I ain't gonna lie, no cap, we really appreciate the love from the ordering, okay? We getting better.
We're sold out of the veggie. And we're almost sold out of 2 more flavors. I think it's the spicy and the jerk.
Appreciate that. Give me some of the Chinese sriracha. Had to put too much honey? Love that? Sriracha not.
Okay. It has a good flavor though.
Oh, you want to I'm sorry, I already broke here. Take peace then. Why you gotta be like that? Okay, I'll wait. Gosh. They're bossy, man.
Yeah, man. They have a right to because we haven't been here in a couple of days. They're pissed off. You guys know how it is. If you have kids,
They know what
you
time
understand.
You know what time it is. Hear what they said? Yeah, I can't blame in the kitchen no more.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That's true.
Yeah, can't blame in the kitchen no more. We're gonna make a good video for y'all. I hope you're ready for that video. Live cooking. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna see it go down. I'm gonna make sure you have your beer, have your drink, have your popcorn, and just watch.
I might make some mojitos.
Yeah, first lady might make some mojitos.
I love those.
Okay? So, it's coming, family. Trust. Trust and believe.
I'm gonna try this now, the pork and roll.
This chicken is good.
Okay.
Pork very nice.
It's the crunch.
Thanks for you. Oh, you know you got made, right?
What? Oh yeah.
Okay, I'm not saying I'm gonna teach this time. That is good. Okay.
How does it taste with that with Chick-fil-A sauce? Oh, what do you use that with? The shrimp roll?
Everything.
I mean the spring roll?
Everything.
They did have the shrimp one, but I got a vegetable one.
I dip it in everything. I know what it is already. Dipper. I'm a dipper like pepper. So what y'all been up to? God damn. You always want to know what we doing, but you don't want to tell us what y'all doing. Come on now, y'all can't be like that.
How many people have kids going to school, starting back to school?
Yeah, going to not online school, going back to school, and let us know and how you feel about it. You know what I'm saying?
There was no way our daughter was gonna go to school online.
No,
For high school.
She don't like that.
Nope.
She don't like that.
She said she got me messed up.
She said she'd rather go to school. She said online is more harder.
Yeah. She did it though.
Yeah, she
Very
did.
proud of her, but. This is not for everyone.
Online. I can't even go to regular school, but much as online school. I definitely feel.
Yeah, right. And you can do anything you put your mind to.
If I do homeschool, I know I'm gonna get an answer because you here.
Hell no.
They better not give me homeschool because yo, it's a wrap. I'm passing with flying color.
For real.
No cap. Yeah, you mash up the chicken, your man. I ain't on in the rice. What the dog was in here now? I thought I felt it rubbing on my foot.
What? Who knows in here?
What's that? Well, try that one. You gotta give me.
You know what? Just let me eat it.
You full already.
I sure, right? I am.
All right. Y'all ready?
Oh, yeah.
For part 3? Yes, y'all.
I
They was like, yo, come on already.
I forgot.
Don't worry. Part 3.
Okay.
Kitchen time. Sink. Okay, go ahead.
Right. So, we wanted to go with quartz countertop, but we didn't see any that we liked.
We wanted to be different, so we did different.
And the kitchen itself has a cold feeling to it. And for women out there, you guys know what I'm talking about. Okay? I wanted something in the kitchen to warm it up. So I decided to put butcher block countertop. You can Google that. It's very nice. It's so funny because a lot of people didn't know what the hell I was talking about. But
until they see it.
So I asked, do you know how to put butcher block countertop? This is all discussed before the person came and started doing the job, and he said yes. So he's putting the butcher block together, and the butcher block, the way it's made, you are allowed to cut it. It's wood. It's basically wood. At the end of the butcher block, it has it's called a butt, like a little lip that hangs like that. It's not flushed. It's like this. So if you put 2 butcher blocks together, you're gonna have that. That's a no-no because there's too much space in there and water can get in there, and we're talking about wood. That's a no-no. So I told them that has to be cut off and you have to join them together. I told them that it has to be cut and it has to be joined together with pocket screws. Do you know what pocket screws are? I'm just asking because I want to make sure that they know what they're doing. And he said, yes, I know what pocket screws are. I know how to do it.
I thought you was asking them.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, no, I did.
I got your family.
Oh, no, my bad. I asked the workers them. So.
But do y'all know what that is? If you're not, Google it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So they was like, yes. All right. He joined them together, and it didn't look good.
Give me a minute. Second. Not even a minute. Give me a second. All right. First lady saying this because something was done like this before. So she already know how everything's supposed to look already, like with a pocket screw. Okay? Go ahead.
Okay.
Good.
So, the reason why Richie said that is because I've built a table before with wood. So I know pocket screws. I know how to build stuff, okay? I know how to do stuff with my hands. I'm very good with my hands.
But you got very good with it. Not like that.
Oh, what kind of something y'all talking about, Richie?
Come on. Come on now.
I mean, I am good too.
Angel eyes, I know. Not like that, okay? Not like that. All right.
Okay.
You're too fresh. Story time.
So I'm very good with my hands. So I asked them, they say yes. So they put it together.
Left on the right.
They put it together, and it was joined like this. There was a space. I said, this is not going to work. He said, the wall is not straight. It has a buckle. Blah, 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 blah. Whatever. You are a carpenter, so if there's something wrong, you know how to fix it to the best that you can. And to me, it looks as if you're not even trying. So they was underneath that thing for about a good 3 hours. Finally, when they was done, it still looked the same. So they said, okay, we're gonna move on to the sink. I said, all right, because you know what I mean, you just wasting time. They go onto the sink now, right?
Remember, while first they telling this story, they didn't read no instructions. And instruction is there for a reason, okay? Go ahead, first lady.
Okay. And every single sink, there's a template.
Yep.
And the instructions tell you that you have to put the template on the surface, trace it out, and then to confirm, you put the sink on top of it. Okay, and then you cut out the measurements, and then you drop the sink in there. Depending on what kind of sink you want, farmhouse sink, undermount sink, above sink, it's all, you still have to follow the template based on what kind of sink you're using because it comes with it.
Yeah.
So he gets some measurements off of the template, which that wasn't really the measurements. You have to follow the template. He cut a hole out. The sink did not go in. It barely went in.
Yeah, she said the sink did not go in. Okay.
It barely went in.
Let me elaborate.
So, Richie and I again are in the room, and we hear drilling and banging and drilling and banging. And this is going on for about 2 hours straight.
And we said they're going to work.
We finally decide to get up and go check. We go out there, and the sink is in, but it's not in. So I said, what happened? He said, this sink is no good. That's what I'm saying. Bunny, why did they say that?
Because they use a thing.
He said, the sink is no good. You need to call the company and tell them they sent you a defective sink.
And
this sink doesn't work.
And defective sink, and this is a disrespect to your contractor. So he's saying the people that said that sink disrespect him, give him that, and the sink doesn't go in. Anyways, go ahead.
So
Sorry.
he left and went to Home Depot, his favorite place. He left his other worker there, and I go in the kitchen, and I look at the sink, and I look at the cut, and right off the bat, I'm like, this sink, this hole is not even big enough for the sink. And I didn't even put the template down yet. So I went, and I got the template, and I put it down, and I said, did he follow the template? And he said, I don't know. I said, there's no way he could have followed the template, because if he did, you guys wouldn't be having this issue where you keep on cutting and cutting and cutting and cutting. No, I said, has he put a sink in before? And then I realized he probably has never worked with butcher block. All he's worked with is with people with granite or quartz, where it's already cut out.
And just put in.
And you just drop the sink in. So I'm like, okay, whatever. So I call customer service and I'm explaining to them what happened. And the guy is like, on the phone, customer service said, it's not that difficult. He shouldn't be having any problems if he followed the instructions and followed the measurements that we gave him and the template. So I said, okay, thank you so much, blah, 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 blah. We're done with the conversation. I went back inside, I'm talking to the other worker, and I said, where's the instructions? He said, there wasn't any instructions.
So first lady said, where's the box?
Where's the hardware?
Or the hardware that came in the box. Go ahead.
And he said, there wasn't any hardware. I said, there was hardware because I saw the hardware fall out of the box when you picked up the box in the sink, and you picked up the hardware and put it on top of the box. He showed it to me. Nothing was open. The instructions wasn't open. Nothing was open. So I opened it and I said, did you guys read the instructions? And he said, no. I said, well, that's the problem. So when the guy came back now, I'm telling the guy, yeah, you need to follow the instructions. If you read the instructions and you follow the measurements that they gave you, you wouldn't be wasting your time, wasting my time. So he went ahead, followed the instructions, and finally he cut out the correct size, dropped the sink in. But the problem is the sink still had like a little slight on the left hand side that was a little bit still up,
flush,
and it needed to be flushed. So going back now to the 2-part of butcher block that was like this, I said this has to be fixed. This is water, this is wood. It's right next to the sink, and it looks tacky, and I don't like it. I'm gonna get what I want. So I ended up, when they left,
First lady get what she
I ended up fixing it myself. Yes, I did. I had to go ahead and get pocket screws. We had to work. It was a tussle, but we fixed it. They came in the next day. It wasn't even the next day.
It was the next day. They took a break again.
Yeah, that was the Wednesday. So I'm gonna tell you now, because now we're gonna be ending this part, and then we're gonna go to the last part, which you guys will get tomorrow. So they ended up leaving for the day, and I said, okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow. He said, no. I'll see you Monday. I said, today's Wednesday. He said, remember I told you I have a job that I have to go to on Thursday. And I'm like, okay, what about Friday and Saturday? Oh, no, I can't because I don't want to get a divorce. I don't work on the weekends.
Yes, so said, so done.
So we didn't see him until Monday. The sink was in, but we still couldn't use the sink. So we had to go another weekend without using the sink. So he said he would see us on Monday. So I ended up fixing that part myself. You know, we all pitched in and we fixed it, and it was done. So that's what happened. Now we're going to tell you what happened on Monday. Yes, there is more. Can you believe it? Every day every part so far, there has been a problem.
Every part. So that's why we wasn't cooking no good food, because we didn't have a kitchen for like how long?
3 weeks.
3 weeks. Okay. So you're going to get, this is going to be part 4? Part 4.
The final part.
Final part coming up. So don't miss the finale. Okay? If you reach this far, we appreciate y'all. Let me give y'all beautiful people the word of wisdom. Okay, ladies, first lady, listen to this. Everybody that's out here, listen to this one right here, because this one, probably a lot of people have been through this one too. Okay? Y'all can relate to this one. First lady, listen to this one, okay? All right. Family, ladies, fellas. There's no guys watching this anyway. Okay? Because I'm here now. Ha! All right. Listen. Ready now? Sometimes the love of your life comes just after the mistake of your life. I like how you think, right? You want to think my youth. Fact, I told y'all gotta listen. You see? Y'all thinking like, damn, Pastor Richie came with a hard one today.
What?
Pause. Not no hard one. A decent one today. Okay?
Yo, what you talk, my you?
Yes.
My hard one. There.
Yes, you're gonna have to think. Okay? All the family members, you're gonna have to think. So remember now, sometimes the love of your life comes just after the mistake of your life. Put it in your own term. You know what I'm saying? Hashtag relate, but I gave you that one. I know y'all missed it, okay? Appreciate y'all. Thank you for rocking with us. We are, what are we going to say? I'm Richie. This is First Lady, aka Shanice. Where we talk about anything over here, okay? They are.
You guys are the Greedy family. And we appreciate you guys sticking around. And you know, it's always something, but we always try to make sure we throw a video out there for y'all.
You know that, family. You know what I mean?
Yes. Now, we know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another what? Another mukbang.
Bye.